Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make cauliflower fried rice. So for this dish, I used shrimps, parsley, coconut oil, bell pepper, onion, pepper, cumin powder, a curry spice mix, olives, salt, and cauliflower rice. Start with cooking the shrimps. You can also use chicken or beef, or you can leave out any kind of fish or meat. When the shrimps are done, remove it and cook the onions. After cooking the onions, add the bell pepper. And here I am adding salt, pepper, and cumin powder. Mix it and cook it for a minute, then add the cauliflower rice. Mix it and add more salt, pepper, cumin powder, and other spices to taste. Then finally add the shrimps and parsley. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.